Yan na, magandang araw mga kaibigan, maligayang pagbabalik. At tayo ay muling ang mag-aaral. At ang ating tatalakayin ngayong araw ay the standard and the general equation of a circle. So, meron tayong, ang circle kasi, or kung ano pang mga conic sections ang ating pag-aaralan, meron niyang standard form of equation and general form of equation. So, sa circle, meron tayong standard form and general form nga. So, yung standard form nga natin ay can be written as x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. That is the standard equation of a circle. Standard equation of circle. So, yung general equation or general form of the circle can be written as ax squared plus ay squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. That is the general form of equation of a circle. Ax squared plus ay squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, where e should be not should be not equal to 0, or should not be equal to 0. And ang property pa ng general form of equation of circle ay magkamukha yung coefficient ng x squared at coefficient ng y squared. So, yun yung kailangan nating tandaan para ma-identify natin using the general form kung yan ba ay circle. Then, ang ating tatalakayin ay kung paano ba natin ibabalik ang standard to general or vice versa. And also, from general form, minsan, pakukuha sa inyo yung center at saka yung radius. So, from general form to standard form, makukuha na natin na agad yung center at radius ng circle. So, ayan. Mag-start na nga tayo ng example. So, ito nga, again, yung dalawang form of equations, standard and general. So, gagamitin natin yan sa video ito upang makapag-solve. So, example number 1 nga natin, let's say we have example number 1 natin. We have the given equation, x squared plus y squared minus 6x equals 7. Now, you are required to find the standard equation of the circle. Kasi obviously, ito ay general form of equation. Kasi nga, ito ay expanded. Yung kanina, nakita nyo nga, expanded yung ating general form. At yung coefficient ng x squared and y squared ay magkamukha. So, this is standard equation o ay general form of equation of a circle. Again, ang kailangan dito ay i-transform natin into standard form of equation of a circle. Now, first step dito ay pag samahin natin yung x at pagsasamahin yung y. And then yung constant doon sa right side. Ang process dito, gagamit tayo ng completing the square. So, gagamitin natin yung concept ng completing the square para makuha yung standard form of equation of a circle. So, again, first step, pagsamahin natin yung merong x. Yan. Yung merong x dito, tapos yung y squared. And then, yung constant sa kabila. So again, using the completing the square, so ihiwalay natin ito, x squared minus 6x. So may complete natin dyan para maging perfect. So kapag tayo ay nagdagdag o nagbawas dito sa ating kaliwa, magdadagdag at magbabawas din tayo dito sa ating kanan. So kailangan patas lang. Kapag kumuha ka o nagbawas ka doon sa kaliwa, kailangan doon sa kanan mo magbabawas at magdadagdag ka din. So yun ang ano ba yung dadagdag natin dito para makakuha tayo ng perfect square trinomial? Kasi pag meron tayong perfect square trinomial, makakabuo na tayo ng tatransform natin na siya ng square of binomials. Okay? Ngayon, by doing that, divide natin yung ating middle term, negative 6 by 2, and then squared. So, negative 6 divided by 2, or 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 6 divided by 2, that is 3, squared, that is 9. That is 9. Plus, that is plus. Kung nag-add tayo sa kaliwa, mag-add din tayo sa kanan. Plus 9. So again, ito ay perfect square na. That is, kunin mo yung square root ng x squared. And then, kunin mo yung sign ng middle term. And then, square root ng 9. That is 3. Squared. Plus y squared equals 16. And that is the process of completing the square. Now, ito ngayon ay standard form of equation of a circle. Now, diba? Kitang-kita naman natin. So, tama, nakuha na natin. Na-transform na natin from general to standard. May karagdagang tanong. You are required to find the center and the radius of the circle. So, by observation and inspection, this is H, and yung K natin dito, 0. Kasi wala naman siyang kasama. So, 0 yung K natin. So, yung H natin ay that is 3. So, yung center natin ay 3, 0. Tapos, yung radius natin ay square root ng 16, that is 4. So, nakuha natin yung standard equation of a circle. At the same time, nakuha natin yung center at saka yung radius. And that is how we transform general to standard. Another example natin, number 2, ganun pa din, from general to standard pa rin yung gagawin natin. So let's say we have x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y equals negative 14. So again, this is a standard form. This is a general form of equation of circle kasi nga una sa lahat expanded, and then yung coefficient ng x squared and y squared ay magkamukha. So circle ito. Again, completing the square. Pagsamahin yung x, pagsamahin yung y, then constant dun sa kanan. X squared, ito yun, minus 14x plus y squared plus 2y equals negative 14. So again, ikulong natin. Bago natin dagdagan, kulong muna natin. So x squared minus 14x, meron tayong idadagdag dyan, plus y squared plus 2y, meron tayong idadagdag dyan, equals negative 14. So, dalawa yung dinagdag natin. Sorry, hindi na kasya. So, pilitin na lang natin pagkasyahin. Sanay naman tayo dun. So, yun na nga. Ano ba yung idadagdag natin dito para maging perfect square trinomial? So, yun yung lagi nating tatandaan. And by doing that, divide the middle term by 2. That is 14 divided by 2. That is 7. Squared. That is 49. And also, ganun din sa kabila, sa y. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Squared, that is 1. So, nagdagdag tayo ng 49, tsaka 1. Yun. So, yan na natin to. I-factor na natin to kasi perfect square trinomial na to. Gawin na nating square of binomial. So, square root ng x squared, that is x. Then, kung ano yung ating sign ng middle term, that is our sign. And then, square root ng last term, 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Squared. Plus, square root of y squared, that is y. Plus, square root ng 1 is 1. Squared. Equals, negative 14 plus 49, that is 35. Check natin. Negative 14 plus 49 is 35 plus 1, that is 36. So again, standard form na. From general form, naging standard form. Then again, kung may additional, hinihingi yung center at radius, makukuha natin agad. This is our h, and this is k. This is our r squared. So, yung center natin ay, that is 7, and negative 1. Bakit ba naging negative 1 yun? Kasi positive 2 eh. Alam naman natin na yung ating standard form ng circle ay x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, eto, yung h natin, 7, positive 7. And then, yung k natin, since dapat yun ay negative, positive yun. Ibig sabihin, originally, negative ito, minultiply natin sa negative, kaya naging positive. Therefore, negative 1 yun. Then yung radius natin, square root ng 36, which is 6. And, that's it. For example, example 2 yan. Ano ba naman yan? Next, example 3. Example number 3. Let's say we have 16x squared plus 16y squared plus 96x minus 40y equals 315. So again, expanded, therefore general form. Magkamuka yung kanilang coefficient, therefore circle. Okay? First step, pagsamahin yung x, pagsamahin yung y. 16x squared plus 96x. So may dadagdag tayo dyan mamaya. Plus, pagsamahin yung y. Y squared minus 40y. May dadagdag tayo dyan. Equals 315. May dadagdag tayo, may dadagdag tayo. Hindi na nagkasya. Ngayon, kung mapapansin natin, hindi na 1 yung coefficient ng x squared tsaka ng y squared. Therefore, hindi natin pwede directly i-apply yung completing the square. Kailangan, mailabas muna natin, or I mean, kailangan 1 muna yung coefficient ng x squared and y squared bago tayo mag-apply ng completing the square. So again, kailangan 1 muna yung coefficient ng x squared and y squared bago tayo mag-completing the square. So paano ba natin gagawin yon? i-factor out lang natin yung coefficient 16. Coefficient 16. Factor out ko lang to dito. Lalabas ko lang to doon. So, bale, 16 divided by 16, that is 1. So, x squared na lang ito. Plus, 96 divided by 16, that is 96 divided by 16, that is 6. So, 6 na lang matitira dito. Kasi nga, nilabas ko yung 16, yung common factor 16 nila. Plus, yon. Plus, nilabas ko ulit yung 16. So, ang matitira, 16 divided by 16, that is 1. So, y squared na lang ito. 40 divided by 16, that is 5 over 2. Minus 5 over 2y. Plus, yung idadagdag natin. Equals 315 plus ito plus ito. Ito yung dinagdag doon, ito yung dinagdag dito. So, ayan. Ngayon, ito ay 1 na yung coefficient. 1 na yung coefficient. So, pwede na tayo mag-apply ng completing the square. Apply na tayo. Ano ba yung idadagdag natin dito? Idadagdag natin dito, ha? That is 6 divided by 2, that is 3 squared. So, 9. 9 yung kailangan natin para maging perfect square trinomial ito. Yun din sa kabila. Divide natin tong fraction of 5 over 2 sa 2. That is 5 over 2 divided by 2. That will be 5 over 4. So, check natin. 5 over 2 divided by 2. That is 5 over 4. Squared. Squared natin yan. So, 25 over 16. Perfect square trinomial na ito. Ngayon, ano ba idadagdag natin dito? Hindi pwede na ang idadagdag natin dito ay ito lang. Tsaka ito lang. Hindi pwede. Kasi meron pa tayo doon sa labas na 16. So, kailangan, ang idadagdag natin dito ay yung product ng dalawa. Idadagdag natin dito ay yung product ng dalawa. Kasi nga, meron pa tayo kaninang nilabas na 16. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-separe 16 na yun. Hindi ngunit nasa labas na siya, pabaliwalay na lang natin siya. Mahalaga pa rin siya.
Wow.
So, yung 16 na yan, multiply natin doon. So, 16 multiply by 9, that is 144. So, ito ngayon ay 144. Then, yung isa naman, ito, 16 multiply by 25 over 16, that is 25. Alright. So, ngayon, perfect square trinomial na ito. Perfect square trinomial na ito. I-factor out ko na.
So just do it!
So, let's say we have 16. X. Square root ng x squared is x. Plus sign. Square root ng 3, ay ng 9 is 3. Squared. Plus 16. Ginapay ko lang yan. Square root of y is, square root of y squared is y. Sin minus square root nito, that is 5 over 4 squared. Equals, add lang natin yan. 315 plus 144 plus 25. 484. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, meron pa tayong coefficients dito. 16, 16. Kailangan nating tanggalin yan. So, divide both sides by 16. So, mawawala na to, mawawala na to. So, mangyayari, x plus 3, sorry, plus y minus 5 over 4 squared. Kita pa ba? Sige, yan. Equals 484 divided by 16. That is 121 over 4. Ngayon, eto na yung ating general form, standard equation ng circle. So, from general, na i-transform natin sa standard equation of a circle. Ngayon, required sa atin kuhanin. Paano kung required kuhanin yung center and radius? So, nakuha na natin yung ating standard form. So, ang kailangan na lang natin ay yung center at yung radius. So, yung center natin, ito yan. So, ilalabas ko ulit yan, magiging negative. And then, lalabas ko ulit doon, magiging positive. So, ito yung center natin at negative 3, 5/4. Then, yung ating radius ay square root na to. Ano ba ang square root ng 1/4? That is 11/2. So, that is our center and radius. For example, number 3. Yun, maraming salamat sa panonood mga kaibigan. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-like ang ating channel. Toot! At gayon din, syempre mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Toot! At huwag niyo rin kalimutan na pindutin yung ating bell upang makareceive ng mga notification sa mga susunod nating videos. Toot! Maraming salamat! So, ayun na nga mga kaibigan, ngayon, kung kayo ay meron pang mga karagdagang katanungan or meron kayong gustong malaman pa na medyo naguguluhan kayo sa loob ng klase o saan pa man, maaari kayong mag-send or mag-message ng mga katanungan ninyo sa mga accounts na ito. Sa aking Gmail account is engineerulysses@gmail.com at sa aking Facebook account naman, ito yung aking official account, is Yuli Cruz Cruz. So mag-message lamang kayo dyan ng inyong katanungan at susubukan natin yan ay sagutin upang tayo ay makatulong hindi lamang sa inyo at pati na rin sa iba. Yun lamang, maraming salamat at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat.